Hello, first take up here. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the all new Infinix Smart 7 HD. So I'm going to tell you all the things that you can see if you're going for this device. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Let's go. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, Caramelo Official TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell, okay? Today, I came with Infinix Smart 7 HD. This phone came with 64 gig of internal storage, 2 gig of RAM. You can expand the RAM to another 2 gig of RAM, making it 4 gig of RAM. Now, stick around to find out. Let us unbox the phone. Now, this is the phone, the Infinix Smart 7 HD. Stick around to find out. Wow, this is the device. First thing you see is the device. Wow. Let me on the phone. Let's just keep the phone aside. The phone came with 10 watts fast charger, the earpiece, the cord that you can use to charge this device from 0 to 100%, and the MTN virtual card. The spark invite, and this is a case. This case fits this phone perfectly when looking at it. Now, this by the way. Let's move inside the phone. Wow, this is a very great device when looking at it. Now, let's move to the settings. Wow, this is the Infinix Smart 7 HD. When looking at it, this phone came with Android 12 on the box and 5 MP front camera and 8 MP back camera. And the phone also came with 5000 mAh battery. And the screen resolution was 720 to 1612. Wow, the phone is okay. But what impressed me in this phone is because of the 2 gig of RAM, because you can expand the RAM to another 2 gig of RAM, making it 4 gig of RAM. Wow. When moving to the bottom, you will see the headphone jack, the network cable, and the charging point. And this is the speaker. When moving to the right hand side, you will see the power button and the volume rocker key. When moving to the top, there is nothing on the top. When moving to the left hand side, you will see the SIM card thread. When moving to the back, you will see the two camera bomb located at the back and the fingerprint sensor and the flashlight. Wow, both the frame and back of this phone is made up of plastic material. Well, with the price range, I can't really complain. I love the build quality. And for the external features, this phone came with 6.6 inches display. Wow, the display is okay. I can't really complain. Now let's move to the sound quality when using this device for music. This is the sound that came out when using this device for music. Now this is the volume. So tell me what you understand on the sound and the audio quality on the comment section below. The main things that impressed me on this device is because of the 5000 mAh battery. Wow, you can't really complain, because if you're not a heavy user, the battery can last up to 2 or 3 days for you for a single charge. Well, this device came with all the needed accessories at the box. You can't really complain. Now, when using this device for consuming content, let me see the sound that came out. So tell me the sound that came out when using this device for consuming content. Well, the sound that came out is okay. I can't really complain. So tell me what you understand on the sound on the comment section below for gaming. Let's see how this device feel when using it for gaming. So tell me the sound that came out. Well, when using this device for playing game, I don't see any lag. The device is okay for its price range. So tell me the sound. Wow, the 6.6 inches display is a very good display. I can't really complain for its price range. The gameplay was so smooth. I played the game on a higher graphics. Now the Infinix Smart 7 came with a great processor, a 5000 mAh battery. Well, the rear camera did a good job when using it for pictures. Well, with the price range, I can't really complain. With a device that you can get up to 59,000 naira. Well, so tell me what you understand on this video on the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I post a video like this. What impressed me on this device is because of this device came with all the needed accessories at the box, both the charger, the cord, the earpiece, and the silicone case at the box. Well, with the price range, you can't really complain. Back to the video. Now let's move to the rear camera when using this device for picture. These are some of the pictures taken with the rear camera of Infinix Smart 7 HD. So tell me what you understand on the color that came out on the comment section below. Well, the pictures gives a better color when looking at it. Well, the pictures taken with this device is okay for its price range. Well, let's move to the selfie camera when using this device for selfie pictures. These are some of the selfie pictures when using the portrait mode. When the pictures is okay. When using the AI camera, these are some of the pictures taken with the AI camera. When I can't really complain for its price range. The pictures is not too overexposure. Well, the pictures is taken with this device is a great pictures. It's not too overexposure. The pictures are okay for its price range. Now let's move into the video recording when using this device for video. Now this is the red camera of Infinix Smart 7 HD. Tell me the color that came out and the sound that came out when using this device for video. When with the price range, can't really complain. I hope the sound, the phone gives good sound when looking at it. So tell me what you understand on the sound and the color. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that from there so that you why do you look me now? You don't want to subscribe. Well, the recording is okay. You can't really complain. The front-facing camera using the Infinix Smart 7 head. So tell me what you understand on the color that came out on the comment section below. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I post a video like this. Looking at it. Wow, the camera is okay, sir. Well, I don't see any lag. Well, for a device like this, you can't really complain for its price range. I'm recording in 1080p, 30 frames per second. The camera does a great job. Well, I can't really complain. This phone impressed me. Well, it also has a flash LED light that can allow you to take a selfie picture on a low light condition. Now, coming to my conclusion, tell me what you understand on this device on the comment section below. Well, if you are interested on this device, the main things you have to bear in mind if you're going for this device is because of the 6.6 inches display and the brightness. Well, the brightness is okay. You can't really complain. And the processor that came with this phone. I like how the phone feel. The two camera bomb and the frame. So if you are going for this device, the phone came with 64 gig of internal storage, 2 gig of RAM. You can expand the RAM to another 2 gig of RAM, making it 4 gig of RAM. Well, the Infinix my 7 HD a very great device for you to go for. Well, with the price range, you can't really complain. Getting a device like this of 59,000 naira. How do you feel? Now, this is my review of Infinix Smart 7 LG. Please don't forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I post a video like this. Catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.